What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be making this garland thingy. Okay, now let's begin. First, you fold the paper all across. Then you turn it over like this. Okay. Then you draw the little hands. You have to make it like that or it won't work. Oops. There we go. Now you cutty. If turning the paper around helps you, you can do that. I have a little trash can. And then you're pretty much done, but you have to open it up and draw the little faces. You open it up by grabbing one of them arms and then there.
Ooh, good job.
I'm going to use googly eyes for a couple of them.
Okay.
This is going to look so silly. And I'm going to make them different sizes. This is going to be so silly. Okay, let's find the right size. You. Is this where the glue is? I guess.
Oh, that's super silly.
Then you can draw a little face. And you can wiggle it around for that funny touch. And now you just do the rest. I'm going to do a normal face on this one. And I'm going to do a very happy face with eyelashes on this one. Now, I'm going to put little circles on this one. And the last one is going to be upside down.
I think I can hear your dog snoring in the background. Should we get a shot of him?
Yeah, he's kind of funny. That's my dog, Louie.
Yeah.
He's kind of overwhelmed by the camera, kind of.
He's overwhelmed by the camera.
Hi, Louie. What you doing? I like adding googly eyes to them because it makes you not color the eyes.
Yeah.
Done. Now I'm going to make this one blue. Well, purple. You can't really see the eyes, but I'll make it black so it will be seen. Well, this is really not black. It's not black, but it looks like black to me. This is a gel crayon.
Oh, I love those. Those feel nice.
They do. On the back, you can also add a little sticker.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
I'll do Ariel. And then you're pretty much done.
Ooh.
And if you want it to be silly, you can shake the googly eyes a little.
Yeah.
I will see you later. I did a googly good job.